Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Waves of Mathematics, and today we are going to do Olympiad math polynomial question. You can see here if x²-1 is a factor of ax⁴ plus bx³ plus cx² plus dx plus e equal to 0. Then there are four options. Which option is correct for this question? If x²-1 is the factor of this polynomial, first of all we will assume this polynomial is fx. Fx equals to ax⁴ plus bx³ plus cx² plus dx plus e. Let me suppose this polynomial is fx, okay, and this is the factor of this polynomial, so it means this x² according to given question, x²-1 is a factor of this polynomial, and we will assume this polynomial is fx. So x²-1 is a factor of this fx. So we know that x²-1, this one, can we write this one is the 1 square? So a² minus b² identity says a plus b and a minus b. Which identity we are using here? a² minus b², which is a plus b and a minus b. So you can see a plus b is x plus 1 and a minus b is x minus 1. So it means you can say x²-1 is a factor of fx. So it means x plus 1 and x minus 1 is also a factor of fx. So if these two factors of this given polynomial, it means its value, its 0 should be satisfied this fx means this polynomial. So first of all we will find the 0. 0 means its x value. So for this x plus 1, the 0 is minus 1, and for this x minus 1, the x value is 1. So we will call also a zeros of this factors, okay. So x plus 1, x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 1, these are the two zeros. Okay, so one by one we will satisfy this equation, this polynomial ax⁴ plus bx³ plus cx² plus dx plus e. So this is our fx. So first of all x equals to 1, we'll put x equals to 1. So 1 power 4 plus b 1 power cube plus c 1 square d 1 plus e. Now it is a, it is b, 1 cube is 1, so it is b, 1 square is the 1, so it is c, it is d, and it is e. So if this is the 0 of this polynomial, so it should be satisfied it. So it means this, we will put the 1 here, so it will be equal to 0 because this is the 0 of this polynomial. If any is the 0 of the polynomial, so it will be satisfied it. So right hand side should be 0. So you can see the result here, a plus b plus c is equals to this d plus d. If you this d plus d goes to right hand side, so it will be negative. Similarly for second 0 is x equals to minus 1, to put it here in this polynomial. So f of minus 1 equals to a minus 1 power 4, b minus 1 cube, c minus 1 square plus d minus 1 plus e. So it is also should be 0 because this 0 is these are the 0 of this polynomial, so it should be satisfied it. So it will be right hand side should be 0. So you can see here minus 1 power 4 is always negative number power is even, so it will be positive, so it is a, and it is a negative number power is odd number, so obviously the sign of the b is the negative and the sign of the c is the positive, and here the sign of the d is negative because plus minus d plus e equal to 0. Now you can see the positives are numbers. Can we write the positive together and the negative in the last two terms? Now you can see the result is if a plus c plus e and this b plus d goes to right hand side, it should be both are positive. And you can see these are the two results. So our options are, you can see there, a plus b plus e equals to c plus d, and a plus b plus c is d plus e. Here the d plus e is the negative, so this option is also not correct, and b plus c plus d equals to a plus e, it is also not correct. So you can see there are no option. Our answer are a plus b plus c equals to minus d plus e, and the second answer is this. So which option is correct? None of this. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching, and do not forget to press the bell icon for upcoming more videos.